Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini corn dogs. The ingredients that you need are some hot dogs, 2 eggs, cornmeal, baking powder, milk, salt, sugar, and all-purpose flour. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, and 3/4 cups of milk. Go ahead and mix. Make sure everything is mixed evenly and there are no lumps. While you prepare the corn dogs, bring a pot of oil to medium heat, and while you wait for that to be heated, get your hot dogs, and then if they're large, go ahead and cut it in half. If they are smaller, then you can leave as is. Get skewers and then poke all of the hot dogs. Next, you're going to coat the hot dogs in the cornmeal mixture. If it's easier, you can pour all the mixture into a large cup and then coat it that way. Go ahead and place it into the hot pot of oil. Continue doing this until you run out of corn dogs, but make sure you don't overcrowd your pot. Cook the corn dogs for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown, and then place on a paper towel to cool. Then transfer it to a plate and then add your dipping sauce. I'm going to be using ketchup and mustard, but you can use anything that you would like. And that's it. Enjoy!